here for English, yeah, teacher.
Oh, hello, everyone.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher. How are you?
Our teacher.
Yeah, I'm
Happy
good.
New Year, teacher.
Happy
Hello,
New
Kak
Year,
Nora.
guys.
Teacher, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Okay. Mm,
How's Malaysia? I heard about the flood. Yeah, PS, we got here flood. I mean, we flooded here. It's not too far away from my house though. Malaysia, PS, yes. UK, we have Daniel. Oh, Daniel. Hi, Daniel. Hi, Jeff, Sasrika. Then we have Sawadika. We have, yeah. All right. So teacher, it's all for you, teacher.
okay, all right. Hello, guys. How are you? Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
can you see my screen clear?
Yes, very clear.
Very clear. Okay.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. So, yeah. I think that I start now. Okay. Here I marked the direction and the setup. Have you ever wondered from here to here, you can easily compound your equity or compound your capital to the bigger equity. Have you ever, have you ever evaluated that? Have you ever think of that also?
Those who background not too noisy, you could unmute and answer, yeah.
No, teacher, we never.
Yeah,
never
you can
done.
see there's a lot of, we have direction, we have entry here, we've got entry, direction. All of these are with direction and entry, but yeah, I think you can easily just reach your desired amount in just within few days. So this is the power of sideways. Okay, the power of sideways. And before that, I'm going to tell you that the priority, our compounding, the priority pair is gold. And if there's no setup, for example, like I give you here, this is from 5th November until 11th of November. Can't you wait for the setup for 6 days? Can't you, what do you feel if you found no setup within 6 days? Of course you lose your patience, right?
Holiday.
You will lose your patience because your target, you want to compound as soon as possible, and you compound with a short period only. But then you can see here the price making momentum, and from here, okay, from 5th of November, there's no setup until 11th of November. So if we facing in this situation, if we're facing this situation, I will move or I will switch to any other pair, but especially GBP, to find setup for to entry. Just in case if gold doesn't give us entry or gold making momentum or whatever. Okay, but you have to remember our priority pair is gold. Okay, and for the trader who asked me when is our compounding, what is the date? It is on, we will start on 5th of January 2022. And what else? Yeah, on 5th January. And it is 14 days of the market open. So it means that it's not include weekends. Okay, so it's 14 days of market open. Okay, and what else? And one more thing, we need sideways. You know, we don't want momentum, something like this. If price make momentum and it's so hard for me to find setup, I will switch to any other pair, but I'm not going to include oil or Bitcoin. I will include currency such GBP pairs or maybe even New Zealand or something else, but not Bitcoin or oil. Okay. All right. So I hope you clear any question. Hello.
Yeah,
Hi.
teacher, you may ask a question right now, right? Because a lot of this session, throughout the session, teacher will answer your question. So any doubts, anything, please throw it, yeah?
Yeah, and another one, I want to show you that, wait, another one I want to show you that if people ask me that what lot in this position, what lot, I just want to let you know that everything is by divide by 600. If I, because you know my my equity, my capital is 360, I'll divide by 600. Anything like if my equity is 1,000, I'll divide by 600. So you have to know that. Okay, it's up to you how much you want to put, but for me, I will, everything is divided by 600, and once I reach 100,000, I will just stop. Okay, I hope you're clear.
Hello, teacher, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Teacher, what about a leverage? Will we have to divide by 600 only, whatever the leverage is, or it is specific to some kind of a leverage only?
You're going to use 1,500 leverage, right?
Oh yeah, teacher, correct, yeah, teacher. Because not all countries can use 500 leverage, teacher. So that's why it will be a different calculation, teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, so like for like UK, if I'm not mistaken, UK the leverage they cap it like 100 or 200. Pina, your Turkey, what's your leverage, Pina?
Yeah, I can use up to 3,000.
Or you can able to use 3,000. Some in like Canada, Australia, or US, I think their leverage is not high, teacher. So you all can put in chat box what's your leverage. Then I will probably share with you how to calculate the leverage.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah. So those who are here in from different countries, could you put me your leverage? So US, teacher, US is 50, Canada is 200.
India, we have 400, Terry.
How,
I have 400 leverage.
400 leverage. Okay. Anyone else? Could you Australia, what's your leverage? Kenya is 400.
Australia is 30, Terence, and also UK is also 30 also maximum.
Oh, okay. IC markets, yeah, IC market. If you can use IC markets would be great. IC markets allow you to 500. Prosperity at 500. Okay, some of you are able to use 500. Great. I'm more concerned about the like people from Canada, US, and UK, and hot forex is good. Hot forex is Malaysia. We are quite okay, not too bad. Just that whatever the teacher is going to compound, teacher is going to use a leverage of 500. So the lot size will be calculated based on the leverage of 500 as well. So do you have any concern about that? You can ask your questions, you know.
I think Kevin is giving a good suggestion there.
Kevin, for leverage we balance if leverage is 100, I think you just divide your balance by. Okay. In UK we can use stick mill and IC market that allow 500. Oh, okay, that's great, Ryan. Thank you so much for clarifying. So those people in UK, you can use stick mill or IC markets that allow you to 1 to 500. So it depends on the broker that you're going to use. Anyone else? From US, could you sign up stick mill or IC markets that allow you? Okay, great, Daniel, thank you. So in US, you can use prosperity markets and who goes way. Okay, I see, say no. All right, good guys. So I think pretty much y'all can. I just need you all to push the leverage to 500 so that when teacher compound, the lot size will be heavily based on the leverage of 500. So if you are, otherwise I'm afraid that you all be confused here. All right, teacher, back to you, teacher.
Okay. And yeah, I hope everything's fine, right? UK can use stick meal and IC market and all, right? There's no problem. I hope so. Okay, and you guys will be directed to the channel. It's called private channel. Everything I'm going to post there, the entry. I'm not going to post analysis. I'm going to post entries. So you have to be clear about that. Okay, and yeah, if I order you to not stop loss. If I order you to cut loss, you have to cut loss. Okay, I'm afraid maybe some of you are stubborn and all that and we blame you or something. So yeah, if because I don't have stop loss, you have to know that I'm using rare compounding. I'm just using cut loss. So yeah, because during my compound or during when after the price enter my position, get into my position, I will keep monitoring the price movement after that. Okay, so please, if I say cut loss, you guys have to cut loss also. All right, so.
Sorry, teacher, there's a question in the chat box.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, teacher, you can have a read, teacher.
Wait, because the question is going up. How do you go about cutting loss? Just the entire position or slowly taking offside? I will cut loss entire position. Usually something like that. I will just cut loss entire position. I will look for any other entries. Okay. If we lost our margin during trading, would you mind starting again? If we lost, if we lost our margin during trading, would you mind starting again? I don't know. In my mindset, I always say that my compounding will be successful. I never expect that my compounding will be, we will lose. But just in case, if it happened, yes, we will. Don't mention it. I always, my mindset already, I have said it, it's going to be successful. Okay. Are there any limit orders and how long do we have before we enter the trade? Okay, Timothy. Of course, there's a limit orders. Just same like this. This is my previous compounding. This is how I compound. I don't put price. Like you have to buy 805 something. No, yeah, something like this. Okay. I put my pending or maybe I just mark here and yeah, something like this. Okay, something like this. Then wait, yeah, something like this. I'll just put mark and you know, this is the entry point. We have QM and all that. And then yeah, something like this. So this is how I will, wait, I'll show you. Wait. Okay, I will show in the channel something like this. I will post something like this, exactly same like this. So when I mark here, you know that this is QM. Okay, when I mark here, it means you know that this is SNRC2. Okay, I'm not going to mention price. I'll just mark something like this. Exactly what I do it here, I'm going to do it with here. Okay. All right. Any question? Do we have to stay on PC during all day? No, you don't have to stay on PC during all day. I'm the one who have to face with the market. You just like for example, I show you, okay, this is my buy limit and whatsoever. So you guys see, oh, okay, now we got it. This is QMC setup. Okay, price went up. Yeah, something like that. My style of trading, I'm not going to stay in front of the PC all day. No. Okay.
Teacher, will you inform us about your sleep cycle so that we can sleep at the same time? I mean, we are in front of the screen or not. If you send some setup while we are sleeping, that would be nice. So we should organize ourselves.
Well, which country you are from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey, I see. Okay, this is PNG, right?
Yes.
Okay, so mostly I find setup or my entry is during London Open. You have to know that. In my country, I seldom entry during entry on Asian session. I mean like during morning or afternoon. Mostly I can see that 90% everything is in during London Open. It means that around 4 to 5 p.m. Malaysia time. So don't be worried. I don't like I'm not going to disturb your sleep. I mean like in my time zone. Okay, during London Open. Everything is in during London Open. What time in your country during London Open?
It is like noon, around noon. So
okay, that's cool.
Thank you, teacher.
Great. Okay. Any question, guys?
Hi, teacher. Are you trading in Dubai or in Malaysia?
I'm in Dubai, but you can see this is my Malaysia time because I like to disturb my sister. So I will when I found out my sister didn't text me, then I know that she's sleeping. Okay, so guys, any question? Actually, it's good. In Dubai, during London Open, it's on noon also. Yeah, it's a great thing.
Teacher, there's a question. How much time do we have to set our position?
How much time do we have to set our position? How much time? What does that mean?
Yeah, it's in the chat box, so I need to clarify. What do you mean by how much time? Do you mean when teacher put PO? You mean the the interval period? That's what you meant? Payment. Yeah. Oh, so what he meant is that whenever you put a PO, what's the interval duration that we have before the price hit?
Layer ke?
Bukan layer. Maksudnya kalau teacher masuk PO, dia takut mungkin dia punya time difference tak nampak ke everything tak kena then dia mungkin miss. So dia nak tahu berapa lama lepas PO biasanya price akan masuk.
Oh, okay. I'm not going to give you example here. I am not going, for example, okay, let's where's the eraser? Tak boleh ni.
Ini tak boleh ni.
Ada macam mana pemadam wait.
Ini tak boleh teacher sebab dia
annotate.
Oh, annotate. Oh.
Annotate. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Why so small? Macam mana nak besarkan dia? Eraser.
Ya, teacher. Dia ada annotate, kena pilih size dia, teacher. Kasih besar, teacher.
Oh, annotate. Draw besar. Okay. If the price wait lambat pula.
Apa, teacher?
Okay, if I'm not going to alert myself if the price move like this. Okay, something like that. Okay, just pretend you didn't see this red candle, okay? I'm not going to alert myself or alert you guys if the price move like this. Okay, and possibility the price will go another, or the price will fly, and then forget this entry. I will alert you guys, or I will alert you guys if the price come back and mostly closer or go near to our entry point, something like this. You understand what I mean, right? Okay, when the price you understand, means that if the price doesn't come down or close until here, or maybe it's possible the price will keep fly, and I'm not going to tell you guys about this entry. But if the price comes back, so I want you guys to be alert. I will post in the channel, and I'm ready to take this entry. Okay? All right, yeah, something like that. I hope you understand my explanation. You understand? Hello?
Understand, teacher. Understand very clear.
Yes.
Will the PO time expire? Okay, my PO time. Okay, this is my PO. My PO, and it doesn't touch my pendings, and then it went up, and then yeah, after that I erase my PO. Or if the price went too far, I also will delete my PO. I will mention in the channel, in our compounding channel. Okay, don't worry.